Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today let's see how to make Dal Palak. This goes very well with rice as well as chapati. So first we need 1/3 cup of lentils, also called as Toor Dal. Wash and soak this for half an hour in 1 cup of water. After that, to a pressure cooker add Toor Dal with water. You may add more water if required. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green chillies. Now cover and cook dal for 3 whistles. Next we need 100 grams spinach, also called as palak. Wash and chop it like this. Next we need 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. If you want to make this dish more spicy, then you may add more red chilli powder or green chilli. 1 medium sized onion chopped, 1 medium sized tomato chopped, 2 tablespoon cooking oil and 1 cup water. So let's start to prepare masala. For that, heat a pan on medium flame. Into that add 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Once the oil turns hot, add cumin seed. Allow it to splutter. After that, add onions, some salt and ginger garlic paste. Saute onions till it turns translucent. Onions are done. So next we have to add masalas. So turn gas flame to low and add turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chilli powder. Saute it for few seconds. And then add tomatoes. Now turn gas flame back to medium. Mix and cook till tomatoes turn soft. This has turned nice and soft. Next, let's add chopped spinach into it. Combine all this very well and allow it to cook till spinach shrinks. Looks like our spinach has cooked well. So now add a cup of water into it. Cover and allow water to boil. Let's check. Okay, so water has started to boil. Now it's time to add cooked dal into it. I have mashed dal very well. Give it a mix and check for salt. If you want more gravy, then you may go ahead and add more water into it. Now stir occasionally and allow gravy to boil nicely. This has started to boil, so our dal palak is ready. Turn off the gas flame. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Do try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. If you liked today's recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.